How to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. As we know that Facebook Marketplace is a place to discover and purchase items, but listing an items for sale isn't the same as creating a paid ad to appear when people shop on Marketplace. You can help your business reach more people when they are shopping when you create an ad for Marketplace, but somehow you got banned from Marketplace. In that case, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your Facebook account. Once you're in here, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and then click on Help and Support. Tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Continue to Report. And then click on Don't Include. Here you need to select Marketplace. Now in this section, what you want to do is enter the problem that you have been facing on Facebook Marketplace. You can simply write that you want to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace and you haven't done any of the activities that is against the community guidelines of the Facebook. Once you have written those things, tap on Send. Then your report will be successfully sent to the Facebook support. And within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.